Hallo zusammen, I'm your Vlog Dave. Some like it, some really don't. I personally like it, I'd say. Rain, thunderstorms, or snow, or something like that. But how do you refer to rain and snow and hail and all that stuff in German? Let's find out. So what the heck is this Vlog Dave guy even talking about in this video? Well, I want to talk about different words and phrases for different kinds of rain. Der Regen Singular, die Regen Plural. And rain is a weather condition. Das Wetter Singular, die Wetter Plural. You know, there is a plural term for this one, but we don't really use it at all. So please just stick to das Wetter in singular, the weather. And be a bit careful with weather conditions as well, in German at least, because, well, you can have both singular and plural in German, whereas it's only plural in English. So it's die Wetterbedingungen Singular, die Wetterbedingungen Plural. Weather conditions. However, about rain, der Regen, it's only used in singular, to be honest. I mean, there is a plural term for this, die Regen. Maybe it's a rather scientific or like technical term that's used in meteorological contexts. What a word. Meteorological. And like I said before, there are many different kinds of rain, many different intensities and qualities, and also quantities of rain, to be quite precise about it. Der Niederschlag is basically a hyponym for, well, all and everything that might fall down from the sky in the meteorological sense of the word. So let's talk about different kinds of rain in a chronological order, meaning beginning with very light rain and moving on to really heavy rain. Awesome game, by the way. So if it's raining just a little bit and it's very light rain and just a few raindrops here and there, der Regentropfen Singular, die Regentropfen Plural, well, you could refer to that kind of rain as drizzling rain. So der Nieselregen is a noun, and a linked verb would be nieseln. Es nieselt. It's drizzling. And yes, there's even an adjective to this whole thing. Nieselig. Drizzly. It's a proper adjective, yes, that's true, but many Germans might just express this by using the verb nieseln in a phrase. Es nieselt wieder. It's drizzling again. Similar German terms are diesig, something is hazy, or trüb, something is dull or kind of foggy or misty. Schau dir das diesige Wetter an. So in these cases, you'd rather express something with adjectives. Diesig, trüb, all those words are adjectives. Strong and heavy rain would be der Schauer or der Regenschauer, Singular, die Schauer or die Regenschauer, Plural. And whereas the term der Nieselregen still contains the term der Regen, it's a compound word, so to speak, really strong and heavy rain with lightnings and thunder would be called das Gewitter, Singular, die Gewitter, Plural. Thunderstorms. A related verb is gewittern. Es gewittert. It's thundering, or there's thunder and lightning. A typical phrase would be gleich fängt es an zu gewittern. It's gonna start thundering soon. Thunder. A similar term for das Gewitter would be das Unwetter, Singular, die Unwetter, Plural. But yeah, you could also use das Unwetter when you want to refer to any kind of really bad weather outside. I mean, there wouldn't be weather inside anyway, so I think you get it. Rather icy kind of rain is called hail. Der Hagel, Singular, die Hagel, Plural. The verb for this weather condition would be hageln. Es hagelt. It's hailing. Regarding a typical phrase, you'd once again use the verb for this one and not an adjective. Morgen könnte es hageln. It could be hailing tomorrow. And if it's really sudden and really hefty, like heavy rain, out of nowhere basically, you could also refer to that kind of rain as der Platzregen, the burst rain, so to speak. And well, to some extent, it's some kind of rain, so let's include der Schnee, the snow, as well. And by the way, there is no plural term for this one in German, it's just der Schnee. The related verb would be schneien. Es schneit. It's snowing. It's a bit more interesting regarding adjectives. Something is snowy, verschneit, or schneebedeckt, snow-covered. Letzte Woche hat es richtig viel geschneit. It was snowing a lot last week. So tell me, did you know those words and phrases? Which ones did you know? Which ones have you heard of? Do you know more? Tell me in the comments down below. Yeah. However, thanks for watching, I'm your Vlog Dave. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.